Welcome to Rise Wellness, your ultimate destination for mental wellness. Transform mind, body, and spirit. Are stress, anxiety, chronic pain, ADHD, focus issues, PTSD, trauma, or stiffness weighing you down? Discover how yoga, meditation, and sound healing can bring relief and restore your sense of balance and ease. At Rise Wellness, we believe in the power of holistic practices to transform lives. Our approach blends ancient wisdom with modern techniques, offering guidance that's accessible to everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your practice. Yoga for you. Are stress, anxiety, chronic pain, or stiffness weighing you down? Discover how yoga can bring relief and restore your sense of balance and ease. Why meditation? Feeling overwhelmed, unrest, troubled mind, anxiety, or trouble sleeping? Meditation could be the solution you've been looking for. Sound healing remedy. Sound healing is an effective remedy for releasing deep-seated tension, reducing anxiety, easing emotional blockages, and promoting a state of deep relaxation and inner balance. Meet your instructor. Porch is a consultant in yoga, meditation, and sound healing, offering personalized sessions to help clients achieve balance, inner peace, and well-being. Visit RISEWELLNESS.fit to join us in this journey of self-discovery and healing, and let us help you find your way to a more peaceful, balanced life.